Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add rotating CD effect to your Instagram story. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have opened my Instagram application and first thing first, I'm going to create an Instagram story. I'm going to click on your story and I'm just going to upload a photo from my gallery. I'm going to go with this one. Okay, and we can go to the music section. And then you can choose the music that you want to add to your Instagram story. For example, I'm gonna go with this one and we can scroll all the way to the right around here and just click on this icon. And as you can see that the rotating CD effect has been added and click on done. Then you can also zoom in or zoom out like this and you can move it anywhere. You can place it to any part of your Instagram story and I'm just going to move it right here. Okay, now it's done, and once you're ready to share your Instagram story, you can click on your story. Alright guys, and that's all the way to add rotating CD effect to our Instagram story. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.